here comes the big bad wolf.
Oh, I see a little pig. I think I'm gonna go blow his house down. Hello, little pig.
Hello.
I would like to come into your house, please.
Not by the hair of my chin.
Well, then I will huff.
No!
And I shall puff.
No!
And I will blow your house down.
No, you won't.
This house is all mine.
Now the first little pig. The first little pig that we just did was made out of sticks, and this one was made out of straw.
Okay. Well, that sure was fun blowing down that little pig's house. I'll see what. Oh, I see another little pig. I'm gonna go get his house. Little pig, let me in.
Not by the hair of my chin.
Well, then I shall huff.
No!
And I will puff.
No!
And I will blow your house in.
No!
That's two houses.
Now the first little pig was made out of bricks.
The third. Oh, that sure was fun. Let's see if I can make it a hat trick. There's the third little pig. Hello, little pig. Let me in your house, please.
No!
Then I shall huff.
No.
And I will puff. And I will blow your house in.
No, you won't.
Well, that didn't work. What in the world? What is your house made of, little pig? I cannot blow your house down.
No way, Jose. You can never get me.
Aw, shucks.
Well, I think I'm gonna go blow that big bad wolf some apples.
Hey, what are you doing with those apples? Ah! No, ouch!
You can go home.
I'm going home.
Now at the fair.
Okay.
Now they were at the fair. I mean, now they were at the garden. Tick, tick, tick. I'm gonna go back home.
I see that garden. I'm going to go see if I can't get into that pig's house again. Oh, pig.
I'm never gonna let you in.
Oh, pig.
I'm not gonna let you in.
It's your long-lost cousin.
No, it isn't. I know who this is.
Darn it. I'll have to try another trick.
Fair. Now here comes the fair. Now you go now.
Ah! Oh, I don't like this.
Now you can go back home.
I'm going home.
And then I'm coming into the house. I'll climb down the chimney. I'm making some hot water by myself.
I'm going to go down the chimney and get you. Here I go. So, whoosh, ah!